Y'all, so I have some Vietnamese beef stew. Ba ca. Okay, the other day I had it with some bread. Now I'm having as a noodle soup. I dilute it with some water and make it to like a little nice clean broth. I like it this way as well, especially on cold nights. Let's give this a mix. Just love fresh cilantro and fresh green onions. Try the broth. That's so good. Got the noodle. Got the beef. The beef is so tender, so flavorful. Carrot. Sweet and tender. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Gotta add my fun condiments. Some lemon, sriracha, hoisin. Of course, my roasted chili oil. These are like drugs. It is so addictive. I love this stuff. Spicy, but so good. Packed full of flavor. A little bit goes a long way. I like it spicy. Let's give it a mix. Oh my God. So good. Ooh, spicy. Oh, so good. That chili oil. I love the carrot so much. It's just so tender. Vietnamese bao ca.